formula for present perfect progressive or present perfect continuous tense is the same. All right. Okay, guys, let's talk about the formula. When we talk about the formula, we're going to talk about the affirmative form, we're going to talk about the negative form, and the interrogative form. That is a question form. All right. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay. Affirmative form. All right. Okay, let's see the formula for affirmative form. Subject plus have or has, all right, plus been, okay, there's a be verb, been, plus verb ing, plus object. So this is the affirmative form, the affirmative formula for present perfect progressive. All right, so let's see an example here. I have been learning English for 2 years. So this is an example. I have been learning English for 2 years. All right. Okay, guys, let's go to the negative form. Okay, let's talk about the negative form. Subject plus haven't or hasn't plus been, all right, plus verb ing plus object. So this is a negative formula for present perfect progressive or continuous tense. All right. Okay, let's go. Let's see the example here. She hasn't been learning English for 2 years. So she hasn't been learning English for 2 years. This is a negative form. All right, guys, let's go to the interrogative form. So the interrogative form gotta be have or has. So you gotta see a have or has gotta be before the subject. Have or has gotta be before the subject in interrogative form. Interrogative form, that is the question form. All right, so this gotta be have or has plus the subject plus been plus verb ing plus object. So this is the interrogative formula. All right, let's see the example here. Have I been learning English for 2 years? Have I been learning English for 2 years? So this is the interrogative. So this is the interrogative formula. All right. Okay. So this have. So let's use has, third person pronouns. All right. Has she been learning English for 2 years? Has she been learning English for 2 years? So guys, these are the formula: affirmative, negative, and interrogative form. All right. Let's go, man. All right, guys. Now let's come to the singular form. For present perfect progressive. We are still on formula. Let's see how we indicate it on this table, guys. Okay. All right. So we have the pronouns. We already know the pronouns. Okay. So we have or has been. So has or have been. All right. Okay. So we gotta have what? The affirmative form. So we gotta have a negative form. So here we gotta talk about the negative form. Here we're gonna talk about the positive and the negative form. So the next video gonna be the interrogative form. That's the question form. So let's talk about the affirmative and the negative form. All right. Okay. In the singular form. All right. We have the singular and plural form. All right. This is the singular form. All right. All right. Pronouns. I have been. So affirmative form gonna be have been working. Yeah, have been working. All right. Okay. The negative form gonna be what? I haven't been working. I haven't been working. All right. Okay. All right. Let's go to the next one. Also in the negative form, we can also say have not been working. So there's a two way we gotta say it. Okay. I haven't been working. Some people can say have not been working, but here you gotta put stress on not. Have not been working. You gotta put a stress there. Somebody gotta hear that word not. If you want to say it this way, but if you want to say I haven't been working, that is okay. You just get a lesson for your listening. All right. Okay. Let's go, guys. You. All right. Second person pronouns. All right. Have been. All right. So the affirmative form gotta be you've been working. You've been working. All right. If you can also say you have been working. That is okay. But faster, you've been working. You've been working. All right. You've been working. All right. Okay. Let's go. Yeah. You haven't been working. So you haven't been working. All right. Okay. In the second way, we gotta say you've not been working. Be careful. Stress the word not. You've not been working. You've not been working. All right. So somebody gotta hear the word not because that's the stress. Because there's a negative form. Because the negative form we must put stress on it. It's important. All right. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the third person pronouns. She, he, it. All right. So here we gotta use has been. This we already know this one. This is simple. All right. Okay. Let's go to the affirmative form. Tom has been working. Okay. Tom has been working. We can also say Tom's been working. So when we speak, we gotta say Tom's been working. All right. In written, some people also can use the word Tom's been working, but you gotta know that she is can be she is can be she has. It depends. Okay, but this is she has. So you gotta know. Be careful about this contraction here. She's sometimes is she is, sometimes is she has, but here she has, depending context. All right. Okay, let's go, guys. Tom hasn't been working. So Tom hasn't been working. This is a negative form. Tom has been Tom. Tom hasn't been working. So Tom hasn't been working. Tom hasn't been working. All right. Sometimes the T is silent. Hasn't. Tom hasn't been working. Or put stress on the word hasn't. There is more stress there. It's a negative. Put stress on it. All right. Okay. Some people can say Tom's not be working. Put stress on the word not. Tom's not be working. Tom's not be working. Not is stress. Tom's not be working. Tom's not be working. Put stress on that one so you can hear the word not. All right. Okay, guys, let's go. Okay, let's talk about the plural form. The plural form. All right. So in the plural form, okay, pronouns have, has, been, affirmative, and a negative. So let's talk about the plural form. So the plural form in pronouns we, all right, okay, have been. We use have been. We have been. All right. So the affirmative form gotta be we've been studying. We've been studying. Although you can also say we have been studying. That is good, but faster. We've been studying. We've been studying. All right. So the negative form. Let's go to the negative form. Okay. We haven't been studying. We haven't been studying. All right. So the other form gotta be we've been. No. We've been not be studying. We've not be studying. You gotta listen. We've not be studying. Some people consider, but the common one gotta be we haven't been studying. Okay, so we haven't been studying. All right. Okay, guys, let's go. They. All right. Okay. Have been. Okay, we use the word have. Okay. All right. They've been studying. They've been studying. All right. So the other way we gotta say they have been studying. So faster. They've been studying. All right. Okay, guys, let's go. They haven't been studying. They haven't been studying. All right. So the other way gotta be they've not been studying. They've not been studying, man. All right. They've not been studying. All right. So you gotta be careful. Not. They've not been studying. All right. Okay, guys. So the interrogative formula, we're gonna talk about the yes and no question. So we're gonna talk about the yes and no question first. Later we're gonna talk about the double question. So let's talk about the yes and no question. Okay, in present perfect progressive. All right. So the first one gonna be yes or no. So yes or no. All right. So subject, we gotta have the subject yes or no subject. All right. So the order gonna be. Okay, been. All right. Interrogative form. All right. So let's see. Let's ask this question. All right. Okay. Let's go. Have. Okay. Have I. So have there. The subject there is what? I. Okay. Have I been? So when you're asking a question in present perfect progressive, you gotta use have or has. So have or has gotta come after the subject. All right. So have I been? So interrogative form gotta be have I been studying? It's a question I gotta ask myself. Have I been studying? Have I been studying? Is this a question I ask myself? Have I been studying? Yeah. Have I been studying? All right. So the answer gonna be yes, I have been. So there's a question. This is the answer. Okay. Have I been studying? So the answer is what? Yes, I have been. All right. Okay. Sometime. Okay. We can also say no, I haven't. So you gotta say this one. Yes, I have been. No, I haven't. So these are the two way we answer this question. Okay. Have I been studying? Yes, I have been. Yes, I have been. No, I haven't. All right. Okay, let's go. Have, the subject is you. All right. So been. So now let's go to the question, the interrogative. Okay. The question form gonna be: have you been studying? Have you been studying? Have you been studying? So what is the answer? So the answer gonna be yes, I have been. Okay. So the negative form gonna be no, I haven't. So this is where you answer. Okay. All right, guys. Let's go. So now we're gonna use has, third person pronouns. All right. So the subject is what? He, she, he, it. So these are the subjects. Okay. Been. All right. So now let's ask the question now. Has she been studying? Has she been studying? All right. So you gotta say has she been studying? We also gotta say yeah. Has he? Has he been studying? Okay. Hasn't been studying? I'm saying something. All right. So in a interrogative form. So like the answer is yes, she has been. Okay. So the negative form gonna be no, she has. No, she hasn't been. So no, she hasn't been. So that is the answer. All right. So you gotta know this one. Sometimes also, I can also use like asking the question like Tommy. Has Tommy been studying? Has Tommy been studying? Okay. All right. It's the same as yes, he has been. It's the same as no, he hasn't been studying. All right. Okay, guys. Okay. All right. Let's go. Have. So have, we, they. So this is the plural form. This is the plural form of asking questions. So in the plural form we use have. So have we, have they, have we, have they. All right. Then we use been. So interrogative form gonna be have we been studying? Have we been studying? So we're also gonna use like have they been studying? So these are the things you're gonna take care of, guys. Okay, in present perfect, progressive. This is the interrogative form. This is the formula. This is the way you're gonna use it. All right. Okay. So have they been studying? So the answer gonna be what? Yes, they have been. So the negative form gonna be no, they haven't been. All right. So this is where we answer this question. All right. Okay, guys, let's go. So this is the yes and no question. Let's go to the double-8 question. So now we are on the double-8 questions. Okay. So let's say the double-8 question. Let's say the formula. All right. So when we use when. So when double-8 question, you gotta see we use when in front of the auxiliary verb has or have. The auxiliary verb. All right. So this gotta be have or has. So when comes after have or has when we ask in the double-8 question. Okay. All right. Let's go. Subject. Okay. Yeah. So double-8 question have or has a subject. All right. Then been. All right. So now let's ask the question. Double-8 question. All right. Okay. So we gotta use where. So let's use where. All right. Where have I been? So now see, so where have I been? So now let's use the full question now. All right. So where have I been studying? Where have I been studying? I'm asking a question. I'm asking myself, where have I been studying? Where have I been studying? All right. So all right. So the answer is just the same. All right. Okay, let's go using the word why. Why have, the subject is what? You, the be verb. So the question gotta be, why have you been studying? So why have you been studying? So why have you been studying? Why? You know? So this is a double-edged question. You gotta answer the question, why have you been studying? Alright? Okay guys, let's go. Where? Let's use where. Alright? Has. Okay, has. So the subject is what? She, he, it. Alright? So being verb. Alright, so this gotta be, where has she been studying? So where has she been studying? Okay, so I can say, where has she been studying? Where hasn't been studying? Where hasn't been studying? Although you use it for animals, so animals cannot study. All right, but we're just using it for the formula, for the sake of the formula. All right, okay, guys. Okay, so you gotta see how we use where, why, where again. All right, for the third person pronouns. Okay, all right, you gotta use again. Why, have, we, they. So this is the plural form. Take care. This is the plural form. Okay. All right. So being. So the question gonna be, why have they been studying? So why have they been studying? Okay. I can also say, why have we been studying? Okay. So this is the plural form. Okay. So this is all about the formula for present perfect progressive or present perfect continuous tense. Okay, guys. You get a comment. Share my video. All right. There's more.